What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. What we're doing today, we're actually just gonna be discussing doing 3 months videos, daily videos for 3 months straight, and I'm gonna make that a challenge for this channel. I released this old I think it was Cooper Baguetti's podcast, and the Cletus' brother, he was doing some type of whatever challenge he was trying to do, or he's still doing. I don't know if he's still doing it or not, but popped in the house like, you know what, maybe I should try doing that. Just pump some videos out, just see, and just see which ones stick and don't stick. It's like everyone's not gonna be a shooting star. Every so often, I think that's really how it goes. It's usually like all these videos, like not everyone, I might get 40 views, but some I might get 1,000 views, and even shorts, like some get 1,000, some get friggin' 300,000. So that's kind of what I'm trying to target with this, is just try to find that niche of where everyone on the channel wants to see and everything. So with that being said, what's going to be going on for the last 3 months? February's kind of a dry month, so this is really a bad month to do this with. Besides, I might be switching to another job, blah blah, so that's kind of the one thing. And then, so there's going to be vlogs. I'm going to try to vlog everything a lot, try to do vlogs. When the days I know I can't get anything out, I'm going to vlog it. But we got Rango here. We got Rango, who's we're going to try to do off-roading with, or try to find some people to do racing out in the woods with. So try to do some of that. We got Frank, which won't be until March, because I think the track just opened up until March, and we might choose some things before then, but other than that, really March is really for Frank. We do have my mom's car, who's got to rebuild very soon because she needs a car. My mom has surgery, so she can't drive right now, but I'm still gonna try to get the car done very soon. I gotta get the head off. I gotta take it to a machine shop to machine the head, and like I said, that's enough. I'll explain exactly what's wrong with that. Corvette here, engine going in, which was gonna be today, but it's raining right now, as you can see. But engine's going into that car. That's a red Corvette, 1986 Corvette. We got Roddy here, which Roddy here we're gonna do some off-roading content with. That's not my car. That has nothing to do with my cars. And then you can't forget, we have also the turbo go-kart, which go-kart's over here, turbo's in here. So this thing's doing pretty damn good. Like I said, it ran. That's a good start. How long? Who knows? It's a stock motor. How long do you think it's gonna last? Comment down below, because it's not. I don't think it's gonna. I'm hoping it lasts a while. Let's be honest. The hope is a forever, but the reality is probably gonna be after a couple pulls, it's gonna go boom, probably, and blow a rod, probably, because it's once again stock, and it's 8 to 10 psi going into it. So, but who knows? Maybe it'll be the first Predator engine to survive boost without having anything extra done to it. So I got a list here. I'm just name off a few things that we probably be doing. Well, this is what we will be doing. I don't know when they'll come out. These are all going to be random. It's not like numberized or anything, but bringing back cooking cars. We got some ribs, steaks, salmon, fish, pastas, and pasta sauce. Try to do some pasta making in the cars. Who knows if that's impossible, but we'll find out. Do some experimenting, like doing like flex steel as a head gasket, which I think Cletus did already, but I figured, you know what? Let me do it again. I'll remake it again. Flour, how flammable is flour, which you don't know, it is apparently very flammable, I've heard, and I've heard that someone got really hurt with flour and fire. Not very good. And like I said, we're going to also be doing podcasts, vlogs, and hopefully some other crazy shit. Like I said, racing Rango out in the woods and with people. Just a lot of things with Frank, doing drifting with him, doing drag racing with him, and if we can get him on track, like an oval track, would be pretty damn cool too. But yeah, so it's, things like that, little things, just, every single day will be different. It won't be a consistent thing. It's just going to be look for a video every single day. Video could be fun, could be talking. Like I said, the talk videos, I'm just trying to connect to you guys a little more, to maybe live videos, or be this, that, and everything, I got to find that niche in this channel where you guys like to watch it. Which talking videos would you like to hear more? Which ones would you not like to hear? Which ones do you want? Which videos will seem more entertaining for you guys? Which one doesn't feel entertaining? So I feel like if I do every single day videos, boring or not, at least we'll find that even the ones I think are boring, maybe you guys find it exciting. So that's kind of like the whole idea of this whole thing, is just to find that one niche of where you guys want to see and don't want to see. So like I said, this is all about finding the niche of what you guys want to see, and what do I gotta do as a creator to get what you guys want to see. Now, I said, am I always going to do that? No, but I'm going to do things I love to do the most, because this is just going to be about my life of just, figuring out my way through racing, and apparently crashing Rango. Freaking always crashing the damn freaking truck every time. Oh, no. The one race that everyone crashed in, I didn't crash in. That was Bristol, which I'll take it. Everyone else crashed. I survived all the crashes, thankfully. So I'll take it that I survived the one that everyone says everyone should have crashed, basically. And the 2 I crashed in was pretty much basically the last 10 laps with Chet, which his steering broke and snapped and whacked me. And the last one, some guy tried to sneak between us and he hit me. So, what are you gonna do, right? It's racing and it's fun to me. I don't care, you know. I accept getting hit and crashed. I accept it. I don't really, you know, I'm not gonna sit here and be like, man, blah blah, I suck, this, that, or it's his fault, this, that. You know, it's whatever it is. You know, take it as it goes. You just gotta keep learning. The only thing I didn't learn apparently was not on that corner and people hit me in my back left corner. I apparently have not learned that yet, which this time I'm buying all the spotter equipment and I'm having someone freaking binoculars sit there and say if someone is coming up on my back left or trying to squeeze in between me and another idiot. No, you're not an idiot. Squeeze between me and another guy being an idiot. There you go. And yeah, so we'll stick with that. But other than that, guys, listen. This is me talking video. Once again, this is just a talking video, so this is just me introducing the idea of all this. So if you guys enjoyed the video, enjoyed the idea, and want to see this fully through, leave a like on this video. Comment down below what you guys want to see on the channel. Anything is possible in your wildest dreams. I don't care what it is. Comment down what you want to see and what you don't want to see on the channel. Subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys in the next one. Do you ever chase your dreams? Don't let them get in your way. I'll see you guys in the next one.